Welcome to my channel. Hello kids, today we are going to learn E-sound words. First we will learn E-B-F and E-G-Egg words. K E G K egg keg. L E G L egg leg. P E G P egg peg. B E G B egg bag. E G G egg G egg. F E B F F fab. W E B W M wag. N E B N F nab. D E B D F dab. ED at what's. B E D B at bed. R E D R at red. F E D F at fed. T E D T at dead. W E D W at wet. L E D L at let. E and N what's. T E N T N ten. D E N D N den. Y E N Y N yen. M E N M N man. P E N P N pen. H E N H N hen. W H E N W N when. T H E N D N then. E N D and D and. E-T, et. Words. S-E-T, s, et. Set. J-E-T, j, et. Jet. P-E-T, p, et. Pet. V-E-T, w, et. Wet. N-E-T, n, et. Net. G-E-T, g, et. Get. M-E-T, et. Met. W-E-T, w, et. Wet. Thank you for watching. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe it for more videos. Don't forget to press bell icon. Bye bye.